What we witnessed yesterday in the national capital was shocking. There was vandalism, violence, clashes, chaos, all of that unfolding in a matter of hours. And India Today tracked the protesters from the Ghazipur border right up to the Red Fort. Here's a report on exactly how this particular violence broke out. A ground report by Ankit Tyagi.
I just want to show you once again, because the farmers have started ahead of their time. Now they are trying to break the barricades at the Ghazipur border. You can see these farmers. In fact, on one hand, one tractor has been stopped by the police personnel. Okay, this is a full confrontation brewing here at the Ghazipur border, where the farmers are being stopped. The policeman standing right in front of this tractor and asking them to stop. And on the other side, you can see the barricades being broken by the farmers here. This is a very tense situation, ladies and gentlemen, where the barricades are being completely pushed and being broken by the farmers, saying that they have started their tractor rally and they will be going on to their route. I just want to show you that this is the route which goes towards ITO and Rajghat. The farmers are, in fact, now the tractors in front are breaking these concrete slabs which were kept by the Delhi police. I will show you that the tractors are continuously ramming them so that they can make their way through. What you can see are these farmers and the tractors on the other side ramming one by one all those concrete barricades which were put by the police. Okay, there is a lot of hooligan elements here, not letting us shoot, but I want to show you the tear gas shells are being lobbed here because they were trying to go towards India Gate. The police trying to stop them. Men with, clubs, extremely aggressive. This is the sixth tear gas shell which has been lobbed. It now looks like a confrontation which might just go out of hands. The police is now moving forward. It looks like we are going to see lathi charge just any moment. On the other side, all these protesters with clubs in their hands are also moving towards the police. It's an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation right now. There is one gentleman who is trying to defuse the situation. And there it goes. Tear gas shells once again being lobbed by the police right deep into the farmers, those who are standing at the ITO intersection. One after another, 1, 2, 3 I can count, 3 more go there, and you'll see them dropping. There it goes, hits one protester on his stun grenades also being used, the police using all that they have at their disposal, one after another ITO to try. Comes in, another tractor comes in, they're using tractors as tanks right now. Ramming everything on their way. All right. It's a steel road. It was one of the dividers which has been broken by the farmers. It's a steel rod that was hurled at me. Dinesh has been hit by a stone in his stomach. Now imagine, is this the kind of protest that was promised by the farmers? 60 days of being patient, 60 days of peace have been broken by these elements who have come in the last 3-4 days. They actually feel they are winning Delhi. You will hear Delhi ko fateh karne aaye hain. What are they going to liberate Delhi from? It's their own country on the Republic Day. This is what they are showing us. I have a very disturbing news. The tractor which was ramming, this tractor has in fact completely gone turtle. It's turned turtle, and I think one protester, I can't confirm, but the allegation is that protester was died after somebody opened fire. We can't confirm that. That's the allegation, but I can show you that one man, one of the protester has in fact passed away. That group of people that you see are claiming that a person has died and possibly was one. It was the same person that we saw near the tractor which has toppled. But at this moment, what we can tell you is at least the situation has been slightly under control. A strong message being sent by the farmers, but the lawlessness, the anarchy and the violence that we saw on the streets of Delhi, especially from where we were reporting earlier at ITO, will definitely raise a question: at what cost has this symbolic gesture of putting their flag on top of Republic Day has come for the farmers' movement, which was peaceful for the last couple of months. With camera person Dinesh Lal, Ankit Tyagi at the Red Fort.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.